Hello everyone, my name is Hakim. Welcome to my first video in Gavel.io tip series. So, if you're a lawyer or a paralegal tired of drafting and same document repeatedly, so you are in the right place. So today I'm gonna show you how to create your first Gavel workflow in 2 minutes in Gavel. So you navigate your Gavel dashboard. So you click the new workflow. So now you have 3 more options. So you can start from scratch or use the template, or you can start with document and let the Documate AI help you. So start with document. So I recommend that. So start with document. So my strongest recommendation is that start with document and let the AI do it for you. So you click on the start with document. So the next step is that you will click on this button, which is what upload your document. So if you upload your document, so it might be a Word document or fillable PDF. So Gavel AI called Blueprint will automatically read your document and it will pull out some important parts and create all question and build the workflow for you. So now I've already uploaded the document. Yeah. So now you now press next. See, you wrote that give the workflow name. So let me just write simple. Let me just write the simple. So you will now save it. So now it's generating, as you can see. So that it will take 6 seconds or longer, depend on the document size. Perfect. You see that? So Gavel showed us a sample. Okay. See, it shows us a sample. So this is the suggested question that the AI wrote. So you can repeat them and you can remove what you don't need. You can also make a quick edit on it. So that's just it. And after you do your edit, you now click on draft document. See that template has been created. So, and that's it. So now you have your working automated workflow. So from here, you can connect your template and add logic and start generating professional documents instantly. So I think with these few points of mine, I think I've already teach you the thing that can save you time and energy. Yeah. So and you can add more, as you can see. So that is family information, executor. You see, very neat, very neat. So yeah, so like the video and subscribe, and make sure that you comment. So and in my next video I'll be sharing other tips. And don't forget, if you want to try this software with Gavel, so the link is under the description, so you can check it. So see you in the next video. Thank you.